WR presents INDIROPE 8x37. INDIROPE 8x37 is perfectly suited to multiple applications in surface mining. The entire rope is plastic encapsulated, providing protection from corrosion like dust particles, humidity, and other materials that may damage the rope. Very low maintenance and no re-lubrication is required once the rope is installed on drag lines. Plastic encapsulated ensures no friction between strands in the core as well as amongst the strands themselves. Core construction of the rope can be changed based on desired size of the rope. Plastic encapsulation of the rope combined with compacted outer strands provide very high service life, corrosion resistant, highest value for money, lowest life cycle cost. Contact us today to know how our various mining ropes, including INDIROPE 8x37, can create value for your organization.